Yes, Mataji. Take a call.
What's your
Heads
call?
or tails?
Heads.
Tails.
We would go first.
You would go first.
First.
You would like to
Yeah.
play first.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. That's very nice. We'll be starting with Vrindavan Royals. The first question. Explain in detail how many times Lord was born to Devaki and Vasudev in the various millenniums as their children. Your time starts now. कितने बार भगवान ने देवकी और वसुदेव के गर्भ से अलग 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 युगों में जन्म कैसे लिया, उनका डिटेल्स बताइए जरा. यस, वृंदावन रॉयल्स.
टाइमर लगाओ.
Yes, 10 seconds gone.
I think we should let Riya Mataji speak.
Yes,
She's
Riya
confident
Mataji,
about it.
बताइए, आंसर बताइए.
Hare Krishna.
Riya Saraf Mataji.
Okay.
Yes.
Tapa, Krishni, and Krishni Garba.
Krishni Garba
Krishna Garba.
and
Aman and Krishna 3 times.
And Adi Kashyap.
Adi and Kashyap.
Aditi
Wrong. Answer has to be very clear. I want a specific answer.
Prabhuji, Aditi Kashyap,
And the child's name was?
Upendra,
Very nice. Come on, we can do it.
Sutapa,
Sutapa and
Krishni.
and what?
Krishni.
Krishni. Very nice. And what was the name of the child?
Krishni Garba.
Very nice. Full points. Full points for the first question goes to Vrindavan Royals. I require the timer to be a little more alert and start with it the next time. Next question, please be very fast. Very good. Yes, Lord explains in the millennium of Swayambhu Manu. Swayambhu Manu, Vasudev and was one of the Prajapatis, and Brahma had told him, please increase the population. But then Shastra teaches us how you have to beget a child. Both Satrupa and Devaki, who was in the form of Krishna, they both started doing tapas. And what tapasya did they do? They did a very strong tapasya. They were just living on dried leaves and little water. And after doing tapasya, when Lord was very happy, appeared before them, they said, we want a small, so to say, benediction. And the benediction is, we want a child like you. Lord said, a child like me is not possible. There is no one like me. A second option is not there. Only I am there. So I will myself come as your child. So 3 times they had said, we want a child like you, we want a child like you, we want a child like you. इसके लिए भगवान 3 मिलेनियम में 3 बार उनके गर्भ में आए. पहली बार as कृष्ण गर्भ, second time as Upendra from Aditi and Kashyap Muni, and last was as Krishna from Devaki and Vasudeva. Very nice, well answered. So opening ball was a sixer from Vrindavan Royals team. Very nice. So let's hope they keep up the same trend. Coming to the next question. Yes, the next question. After seeing the universe in Lord's mouth, Yashoda Mata was thinking to pay respects to Krishna as God. What did Lord do then, and what was the result? Time starts now. Yes, Vrindavan Royals. माँ यशोदा ने कृष्ण के मुंह में पूरा यूनिवर्स देख लिया था, तो माँ ने सोचा अब तो ये मेरा बच्चा नहीं भगवान है, और उसको नमन करने लगे। तब कृष्ण ने क्या किया? यस,
Vishal
15
Prabhu
seconds
ji would
left.
like to. Vishal Prabhu ji. No. Anyone? Arnav Prabhu ji.
10 seconds left.
Samir Prabhu ji. Anyone? Priya Mittal Mata ji.
5.
जब मैं देना चाहूंगी,
जी.
जब माता यशोदा ने कृष्ण भगवान के मुंह में पूरा यूनिवर्स देखा, तो उसके बाद उनको लगा ये तो भगवान के रूप में उन्होंने अपने विराट रूप का दर्शन दिया। उन्होंने पूरा नक्षत्र, पूरा ग्रह, पूरा भगवान का विराट स्वरूप सब कुछ उनके मुखमंडल में देख लिया। जब उन्होंने सब कुछ देखा तो बोली, अरे ये तो भगवान साक्षात हैं, जिनके की मुख में पूरा भूमंडल, पूरा सौरमंडल सब कुछ समाया हुआ है, ये मेरा पुत्र कैसे हो सकता है? तो उन्होंने कहा मुझे तो इनकी पुत्र मतलब भगवान जैसे पूजा करनी चाहिए, ये मेरा पुत्र होने मतलब मैं इनको अपना पुत्र नहीं मान सकती। तो क्षणिक उनको थोड़ी देर के लिए जब ये सब कुछ आभास हुआ और या इस सब कुछ का ज्ञान मतलब उनको एक अंदर से जब इस तरीके का हुआ, तो भगवान ने तुरंत उनकी बुद्धि फेर दी, और बुद्धि फेर के भगवान ने उनको तुरंत उस वात्सल्य रूप में डाल दिया कि तुम मेरी माँ हो और मैं तुम्हारा पुत्र हूँ, और तुम मेरी पूजा नहीं कर सकते। इस समय तुमने मुझे वात्सल्य रूप में पाने की कामना की है, जो 12,000 वर्ष आपने मुझे तपस्या करके देवकी माता ने मुझे जो जन्म दिया है, इस समय आप मेरे को अपने पुत्र व्रत रूप में ही देखेंगे, मेरे को आप भगवान के रूप में नहीं देख सकते। अगर भगवान के रूप में देखोगे तो आप मेरी पूजा करने लगोगे, उस समय आप मेरी माँ नहीं रहोगे, और मतलब मैं आपका पुत्र नहीं रहूंगा, और आपको मैं माँ के रूप में नहीं देख, या आप मेरी माँ के रूप में आप कभी प्यार नहीं दे पाओगी। तो इसके लिए मुझे आप अपने पुत्रवत रूप में देखें और उसी रूप में मेरे को प्यार दें, वात्सल्य दें।
बिल्कुल सही है, मगर मेरा सवाल ये था कि भगवान ने क्या किया इस वापस उनको इस रूप में लेके आने के? जब माता ने उनको देख लिया कि भगवान है, वो स्वयं भगवान है और भगवान के रूप में वो देख रही थी, तो भगवान ने क्या किया कि वापस वो चाहते थे, वो तो चाहते थे कि वो अपने वापस अपने आप को माँ समझे और मुझे माँ के रूप में ले। तो व्हाट डिड ही डू? My question is, what did he do?
He just smiled.
He just smiled.
Yeah, he smiled and Mata got into his love again.
प्रभु जी, माया का पर्दा डाल दिया था उन्होंने।
हाँ?
माया का पर्दा डाल दिया था उन्होंने।
माया का पर्दा डाल दिया था। Okay. Riya has answered twice.
मैंने उनको यही कहा है कि माया मतलब उन्होंने उनकी बुद्धि फेरी इस तरीके से कि वो वापस उसमें आ जाएं। कि बुद्धि
नहीं फेर सकता है भगवान, कभी किसी का बुद्धि फेरते नहीं है।
तो उन्होंने माया के आवरण से ढक दिया।
माया का आवरण से ढका नहीं, योग माया, he expanded his internal energy.
योग माया
he expanded his internal energy just to bewilder her with maternal affection. The words clearly mentioned the Krishna book is Lord Krishna again expanded his internal. That means what? He had removed his internal energy.
Okay.
अपने योग माया को हटा दिया था, वापस योग माया को लेके आए तो ही वो वक्त कर सके.
Okay.
And when he brought in this, removed this, expanded his internal energy, immediately Mother Yashoda forgot all philosophical speculations and accepted Krishna as his own child. And what was she thinking before? Jo Bhagwan ko only Lord, she was thus began to think to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is to be understood only by the process of cultivation of knowledge derived from the Upanishad and the Vedanta Sutra, practicing mystic yoga and studying Sankhya philosophy. ये सब सोच रही थी पहले, but अब वो जब योग माया का expansion हुआ, it was covered, and then she started looking at him as his own son again, because he wanted to enjoy the Vatsalya Rasabhav. So for this, I'll give you 1 point. 1 point will be deducted because answer was partially right, but still a very good try from your team. So scorer, please note for the second question.
Three people have lost their chance in this.
Yes, 3 people have lost. Riya is now out. She cannot answer now. and only Priya Mataji, both the Priya Matajis can speak, but only once more.
Prabhuji, but I said Maya ka parda, right?
माया का पर्दा लगाया नहीं, उन्होंने एक्सपैंड किया. Which
योग माया.
We are talking of
योग-
योग
योग
माया और
माया.
महामाया.
योग माया.
You are talking of योग माया or महामाया. You have to specify. This is a quiz competition. You
योग
cannot
माया.
give you cannot give you a point just on some basis. Okay, right then. So now we go on to the part. Before we go on, let's try to understand a little bit of Krishna's Maya. हम लोग अक्सर कहते हैं, अरे प्रभु जी हम तो माया में हैं, हम तो भौतिक दुनिया में माया में फंसे हुए हैं, क्या करें. बट माया 2 टाइप्स का है, योग माया और महामाया. और भगवान जब चाहते हैं तो वो योग माया आगे करेंगे, और जब चाहेंगे महामाया आगे कर देंगे. और महामाया के आगे अगर हम फंस गए तो डूब गए, और अगर योग माया आए तो हम भगवान के करीब आ जाते हैं. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस. ओके, now we go to the next question. Third question. When and how did Lord reciprocate to the prayers by Brahma and the demigods? When and how did Lord reciprocate to the prayers by Brahma and the demigods? The timer starts now.
Anyone would like to answer?
Yes, 10 seconds gone. Come on, very easy question. इसमें तो full points लेना है आप लोगों को.
हेलो
20 question, 20
प्रभु जी,
questions.
प्रभु जी जब धरती बहुत ज्यादा त्रस्त हो गई थी तब
Please,
वो
I
गाय-
repeat my question. I'm pausing the timer and repeating the question. When and how did Lord reciprocate to the prayers by Brahma and the demigods? And you lost one chance also. I start the timer again. You got just 5 seconds left. Start.
Go ahead, Prabhuji.
Last 2 seconds. Stop.
लॉर्ड
Yes, बोलिए.
कृष्ण भगवान ने लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा के अंतःकरण में उनसे कहा कि मैं जन्म लूंगा इस धरती के ऊपर, तब मैं कम
कब
द्वापर युग में ना,
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कब भगवान ने कब ब्रह्मा जी को बोला ये?
ब्रह्मा जी भगवान जी के पास गए थे उनको उठाने के लिए, पर वो उनको उन्होंने दर्शन दिए नहीं डायरेक्ट. वो उसके बाद में उन्होंने उनको अंतःकरण में बताया था. बट कब स्पेसिफिक आंसर?
Okay, don't worry, no problem. The only part of the answer which you said was right was उन्होंने भगवान ने ब्रह्मा जी के हृदय में उस मैसेज को भेजा था. So you'll get 1 point for this answer again, and you'll not get 1 point because you have to understand Lord did not reciprocate to the prayers of Lord Brahma. What was the prayer which was said by Lord Brahma? Kurukshetra, yes.
Kurukshetra prayers. Yeah.
Purushottara prayers, and in the Purushottara prayers, Lord did not react.
Yes.
Then Lord Brahma sat down and started meditating on it. एक आचार्यगण का बहुत अच्छा दृष्टांत है इस पे कि क्यों कुरुक्षेत्र प्रहर वहां पे उन्होंने किया था. सहस्त्र पुरुषार्थ सहस्त्रपाद, सब लॉन्ग प्रेयर which talks about the Lord's विराट रूप. तो एक्चुअली ब्रह्मा जी वहाँ आचार्यगण का दृष्टांत है ये कि भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ, आप सहस्त्र पुरुष है, सहस्त्र पाद है आपके पास, सहस्त्र आंखें हैं, और आप यहाँ लेटे हुए हो, योग निद्रा में हो, और हम लोग यहाँ त्राही त्राहीमाम हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो आप उठिए. तो ये दृष्टांत है उसका. और रही बात जब उन्होंने पुरुषोत्तर प्रेयर्स प्ले किया, उन्होंने सिंग किया, that time he was accompanied by all demigods along with Dharti Mata in the form of a cow, but Lord did not respond. Then Brahma ji sat down on meditating upon the Supreme Lord. At that, then only Lord transmitted the information in the heart of Brahma ji, which was then transmitted to the demigods. वहां पे उस जमाने पे जूम मीटिंग तो हुआ नहीं करता था, तो भगवान स्वयं हृदय से हृदय तक बात करते थे. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज, क्या बोलते हैं, डायरेक्ट टेलीपैथी. आज के जमाने में टेलीपैथी, हार्ट टू हार्ट. अगर आप नैमिषारण्य जाओ ना, तो वहां पे भी अगर देखो तो 88,000 ऋषिस बैठ के भागवतम सुन रहे थे. सो इफ यू सी नैमिषारण्य टुडे आल्सो 88,000 तक का पहुंचाने का आजकल माइक सिस्टम, मतलब काफी बड़ा विस्तार लगेगा. और मैं उस जमाने का बात कर रहा हूँ 5,500 साल पहले, तो उस समय भी माइक सिस्टम तो था नहीं वहाँ पे. तो एंड अगर आप आज भी जाके देखोगे ना, अलग अलग स्थल है, मतलब जहाँ पे सूत जी वहां बैठ के जब कथा दे रहे थे, जो सूत गद्दी है, वहां से अलग अलग ऋषियों का अलग अलग जगह है. And they all literally half a kilometer to 500 meters to 1,000 meters, 3,300 meters ऐसा सब डिस्टेंस पे है. तो वहाँ 88,000 डेफिनेटली एक छोटे रूम में तो आएंगे नहीं. तो उन लोगों को पहुँचने तक इट वाज ट्रांसमिटेड बाय माइंड, from the mind to the mind, or from heart to the heart. And we Kalyuga people are not that smart, so we can't get that. So that is the thing. So nevertheless, you get 1 point. Yes, you said it was transmitted, but you have to understand this very clearly, that when Lord did not reciprocate to the prayers, but when Brahma sat down in meditation, then Lord transmitted the message in Brahma's heart, and he in turn transmitted to the demigods. Anyhow, well tried, good. So you get 1 point again. So I would request the scorer to please keep a track of the score. Now, let me reset my timer. Okay. Oh, to the next question, fourth question. Oh, 3 deliveries placed. Oh, एक ओवर का गेम है आप लोगों का, उसमें से 3 बॉल तो हो गए, कोई 3 बॉल बचे. So try to make the best. Next question, question 4. Krishna closed his eyes as if to avoid the face of Putana when she came to kill him. Please give the 4 reasons for closing his eyes. जब पूतना पास आई कृष्ण को मारने के लिए, कृष्ण ने अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली थी. क्या है वो 4 कारण है जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने आंखें बंद की? Your time starts now.
Namrata Mataji, would you please try to, if
yes,
you know?
Yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Lord Krishna did not like the of Putana, as she had tried to kill so many children, and now she had come to kill Lord Krishna. The second point was that Putana came to offer her milk to Lord Krishna, so she took him as he took her as his nurse.
Okay.
And the third point is she was hesitant to take Lord Krishna on her lap. So
please don't say an answer. Yeah. So why was
she was not eating?
Your voice is cracking. Please repeat.
She could, Putana hesitated to take Lord Krishna on her lap, as something was being directed to her indirectly by Lord Krishna.
What was indirectly given to Lord Krishna? What was
that,
given indirectly?
That is not mentioned. Yeah, it's just that she indirectly something was being indicated to her by Lord Krishna.
Okay, fine.
And
fine,
Lord
fine.
Krishna closed his eyes so that her fright, the fright inside her gets vanished, disappeared.
Very good. Very beautiful.
In the fourth point is she took Lord Krishna took Putana as his mother because she had come to give him milk, which is a motherly.
That you mentioned. Yeah, that point you mentioned earlier. Yeah. Fourth point you have to mention.
Okay.
Mataji, can I add on if you don't remember?
Yeah, sure.
Prabhuji, since Vedic culture, in Vedic culture, it is not allowed to kill a woman and Brahmana. So, in this birth, the very first demon or demoness that Krishna has to kill is a lady. So that is why Krishna has closed his eyes, thinking this.
Very nice. Full 2 points for the team. But note one points one time Priya Mataji and Namrata Mataji answered. The scorer has to make the point of that.
Priya Mataji answered twice.
Yeah, brother Bas to answer twice. Oh, very good. So now her turn is over. Namrata Mataji answered once. So answer is fully correct. Yes, the 4 reasons why Putana, when she came to kill Krishna by applying poison on her breast and trying to feed him breast milk and kill him, Krishna saw her and closed his eyes. तो आचार्यगण का कई दृष्टांत है, इसमें से 4 दृष्टांत यहाँ पे कहा गया है. The first is he did not like to see the face of a girl or a lady who has killed so many children, and now he wants to kill her. Putana hesitated to take the baby in her lap because when she saw the child, she knew very well that this child is not an ordinary child. He is the supreme personality of Godhead. इतना powerful है, ये सबको खत्म कर देगा. इसके लिए she was having a doubt. लेके उसको बस लेके आऊं या नहीं. Just for that reason, Krishna closed his eyes so that he can mitigate her fear. Third, yes, it is as per the Shastra. Krishna, Shastra says, women, according to the Vedic rules, women, Brahmana and cows or a child should not be killed. It's strictly prohibited. And यहाँ पे क्या करें? बेचारे कृष्ण को पहले पूतना को मारना पड़ रहा है. In fact, if you see even Ramayana, the first killing done by Lord Ramchandra ji is also a lady by killing Tataka. In fact, he was going slow. Lady थी, इसके लिए वो जोर से नहीं मार रहे थे उसको. मगर जब विश्वामित्र मुनि ने जब जोर से बोला, no, now रात का समय आ रहा है, Asuras will become strong in the night time, so please kill her. So immediately Ramchandra ji killed her. But he was hesitating because as per Shastra, one is not supposed to kill a woman, a Brahmana, a cow and a child. And last but not the least, she has come as a mother, as a Dhatri or as a midwife. It's always said in those Vedic culture, a midwife is as good as a mother. So this lady who has come to feed milk like a mother, उस औरत को मुझे मारना पड़ रहा है. This was very pinching to Krishna. These are the reasons why Krishna closed his eyes. Very nice, well done, nice score. I think your scores are very nicely. So we go over to the next question. Two more questions left, 2 more balls left. So I hope you're going to make the maximum runs in the coming 2 balls. Yes. What is the advantage of hearing the pastime of the Lord? Very simple ball. What is the advantage of hearing the pastimes of the Lord? Yes. Vrindavan Royals. Would like to
Arnav,
answer.
can you take it? Arnav,
Yeah, okay.
can you take it?
By hearing the pastime of the Lord, one, it is a karma because we are associating with the Lord.
Okay.
Prabhuji, how many reasons do we have to say?
I want the reason which is given in the book. I don't want a reason which you feel like. No. I want the reason as per the book, Krishna book written by Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah, in the Krishna book, Prabhuji, by listening to pastimes of the God, our heart cleanses, like because we come close to the Lord, and our love for Krishna, our love for the Lord Krishna increases.
The answer is over. Anything more to add on to that?
Should I add, Prabhuji, or my chance will go?
Of course, definitely your chance will go. You can add. You are free to add. Yes, please. Okay. Vishal bro, please answer.
The association of the Lord helps us to cleanse the material contamination in our heart.
How does this material contamination comes?
The material contamination comes because we associate ourselves to be our body and do all our.
Just very specific answer is given. Very short answer is given. Very short answer is given. All of you are saying very thing common is cleanse your heart, but then cleanse your heart of what? Okay, your time is over. There's no points to be given for this question because the main crux to this answer lies the dust of material contamination accumulated in our hearts due to long association with material nature can be immediately be cleansed. This is what is the line given in the Krishna book. Long association with material nature. What is material nature? Three modes of material nature, Rajagun, Satagun and Tamogun, जिसके साथ हम लोग हमेशा जुड़े रहते हैं, and that cleanses, that creates a dust, or rather impurities, which are contaminations which are accumulated in our heart because of our association with these three modes of nature. That is cleansed, and that is the advantage we get by hearing the pastimes of the Lord. बार बार हम लोग वही कथा सुनते हैं, वही पूतना कथा, वही कृष्ण कथा, वही तृणावत, वही नरकासुर, ये वो सब स्टोरी सुनते हैं. क्यों सुनते हैं? रामायण भी सबको पता है, बार बार वही मालूम है, रामचंद्र जी आएंगे, अब मारेंगे रावण को, मारेंगे, सब स्टोरी पता है. बट हमेशा वो नवा क्यों लगता है? बिकॉज हमेशा हमारे हृदय में से जो गंदगी जो साफ होती है वो साफ होती है. और वो गंदगी आती कहाँ से? That is what is the advantage of hearing the Lord's pastime? It cleanses of what? That is more important. So now coming to the last question for Vrindavan Royals.
One question to go. 3 devotees are out. If the 3 interfere, automatically 0 points for the last. Vishal Prabhuji, Riya Mataji, Priya Mataji.
So all the rest of the team members now have to bat off this one last question. Very simple question. I am asking all simple questions to make sure this first match goes very easy. So all of you all please prepare yourself. And over to the last ball of today's match. What did Garga Muni reply when Nanda Baba gave Krishna and Balram to him for purification? I repeat, what did Garga Muni reply when Nanda Baba gave Krishna and Balram to him for purification? गर्ग मुनि ने क्या कहा नंद बाबा को जब उन्होंने कृष्ण और बलराम को संस्कार के लिए दिया था तब? योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. कम ऑन, इजी क्वेश्चन. क्या बोला गर्ग मुनि ने? क्या बोले थे नंद बाबा को जब कृष्ण और बलराम को नंद बाबा ने दिया था संस्कार के लिए? Yes. Yes. All stalwarts, please.
Priyamati, would you be like to answer? Would you be answering?
Yes, Priyamati Mata ji, आप खेलना चाहेंगे इसको सिक्सर?
I can try, but I'm not sure.
Try. Anyhow, it's last over, last ball. Yes, time is anyhow over now.
जब एक बच्चा जन्म लेता है तो वो विप्र के रूप में जन्म लेता है. नहीं, ये वाला नहीं है.
You're hitting, not hitting the ball, you're hitting the stumps. Come on.
Arnav,
Yes, anybody. One more. Still, I would like to give one more chance to anybody. Thank
Arnav
you.
Prabhuji, would you please answer?
Okay, no problem. This
Prabhuji,
question.
can I just try one?
Hmm.
Like I had read it before, so I will try once.
Hmm.
That Garga Muni said that if I do the Namkaran Sanskar, like Prakriya, so Kamsa would know that that Krishna was not your son and was Vasudeva and Devki's son. So he can try to kill Krishna first only, like before the real time.
Okay,
Before the
answer
time
is
that
right.
Lord wanted.
Answer is right, but you answered much beyond the correct allotted time span. I will be giving you still 1 point for that. This your answer is right, but you're taken too much time for answering this. But still, for your sincere efforts and trial, I'm giving you 1 more point. So I would like the scorer to note it's 1 more point, and not full 2 points will not be given to them. Well nice, very good, well played by Vrindavan Royals. Very happy. You have done a very nice performance. And the first opening match, very nice thing. What's the total score, Rajesh Prabhu? Can you give me the total score?
7 out of 12.
Pardon, Prabhuji?
7 out of 12.
7 out of 12. Very nice. Good, good. And mind you, this is the best part of this KPL is you don't lose when you lose the first match. You lose only after you lose many matches. And not only that, even if you lose, there will be another team which will be losing. And if your run rate is good, then you can somehow or the other sneak into the semifinals also. So don't lose your heart. It's too early. Still, there are a lot of matches to play. 4 more matches to go for your team. Okay, all the best. So I'll request our Nursing Daredevils to put their videos on, and I request all our players of Vrindavan Royals to switch off their videos, and all our Nursing Daredevils to please put on their videos, and the captain also. So I think Nursing Daredevils now are much prepared. Now they know what type of question is going to be asked. So they are all now it's going to be easy cakewalk for all of them, for sure. So the first question to Nursing the Daredevils: what is the difference between our birth and birth of the Lord? Very simple question. What is the difference between our birth and birth of the Lord? Your time starts now. Yes. Who would like to speak? Unmute yourself and speak. Unmute yourself and speak.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji, I will reply. Our birth is material. We take birth from the womb of mother. But Lord's birth is transcendental. So he does not take birth like us because his body is transcendental.
Okay. I cannot give you any points for this answer because this not is mentioned in the Krishna book. Anybody else from your group would like to try? But you lost one chance, Adi Yamuna Priya Mataji. I think your Dipti Mataji is raising her hand. So she can unmute herself and speak.
Dipti
10
Mataji?
seconds left. You got 10 seconds left. Fast.
Dipti Mata?
Prabhuji, like when we take birth, it's like an ordinary birth, but when Lord takes birth, it's in a transcendental form with 400 forms and Shri a mark on Srivats.
No. Your time starts again. Last 5 seconds.
Like the Lord takes birth from the heart to heart.
बस अभी आंसर मत दो आप लोग क्योंकि प्रभु जी go ahead for second question.
Let me listen. First, you have to listen to the answer.
May I answer?
No, the timing is over. An ordinary man is forced to accept a material body according to his past karmas. Now I think Dipti Mataji and Adi Yamuna Priya Mataji can recollect what answer I was talking about. What has been written in the book. An ordinary man is forced to accept a material body according to his past deeds, whereas Lord appears out of his own sweet pleasure. What you are saying is transcendental. Yes, Lord's every activity is transcendental. There is no iota of doubt about it. What is important over here, what Prabhupada mentions very clearly, is when a person takes birth, he doesn't have a choice. He has to take birth by force. And which force he has to take? As per the last past deeds. पुराने कर्मों के हिसाब से मनुष्य को जन्म लेना पड़ता है, मगर भगवान को कोई कर्म नहीं है जिसकी वजह से वो जन्म लेते हैं. बस अपनी इच्छा हुई, बस जाना है जा रहे हैं, आना है आ रहे हैं, वापस जाना है चाहेंगे. जैसे एक मालिक अपने ही बगीचे में जब चाहे घूमने जा सकता है, मगर बाकी लोग कोई बगीचे में जाना चाहता है तो उसको या तो उसका सेठ का नौकर रहना पड़ेगा या तो फिर उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी. That is the difference. So the first ball has gone for a duck, so not a problem. Still you got 5 more balls to start your innings. So all of you pick yourself up and be ready. And please unmute yourself before you speak, okay? Otherwise you're losing valuable time. Okay, let me reset the timer. Okay, the next question to Narsinghadev Dad Rebels. Another simple question. The whole manifestation is a combination of two energies. Which two energies? Sorry. The whole manifestation is a combination of which two energies? Explain that in detail. Okay. The time starts now.
कौन बोलेगा?
मैं
नीचे माता बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ जी.
हाँ बोलिए.
प्रभु जी, the whole manifestation is due to spiritual energy of the God and the material energy of the God, and we have material energy as well as the spiritual energy.
What is the difference? What is it called? What is the meaning of spiritual energy and material energy?
Material energy, the five we
No,
get
no.
it.
What is material energy? What is it actually called as? What is the word used in Krishna book? Even in Bhagavad Gita, it is also mentioned very clearly.
पांच जो 5 वो हैं earth, water.
No. Your answer is partially right. It's not fully right. What is that energy called?
Which energy, Prabhuji? Which energy? Material energy.
Both.
प्रभु जी मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बोलिए.
Material energies and Bahiranga Shakti. This is Mahamaya.
Oh, and, Mataji, you used your 2 chance and still you are not able to answer. Okay. Anybody else? Last 1 second. Anybody wants to try?
Prabhuji, there are 2 energies, material and spiritual energy. Material is Mahamaya and spiritual is Radha.
No. Clear. Krishna book clearly says. Okay. Anyhow, I'll give 1 point to you all for this answer, which was partially answered by Mataji, by Nirja Mataji, but still I'm not getting the actual answer which is written in the Krishna book. The Krishna book clearly says the whole manifestation is a combination of 2 kinds of energies of Krishna, the superior energy and the inferior energy. The living entities are the superior energy, and the dead material elements are the inferior energy. That is
material energy, no?
Yes,
inferior energy is material energy, no?
See what the Krishna book, what it says, I want that.
Okay.
Right now we are not discussing on the Tat. We are confining ourselves to the Krishna book, and Krishna book clearly says, even Bhagavad Gita says, these living entities are exploiting the inferior energy. Actually, we are superior energy, but we are exploiting the inferior energy. This Bhagavad Gita clearly says this also. And the same thing is mentioned here also, that we are spiritual and that's why we are superior. Our energy is much superior compared to the dull matter, which is inferior energy. What you are talking about is material, what was the point you were mentioning, Mataji? Material energy as Mahamaya and seeing as Yogamaya.
Yeah, material energy, Mahamaya means inferior energy, and superior energy is Yogamaya energy. And
One
this
minute.
is
The question was very
superior
clear.
energy.
The whole manifestation is a combination of which two energies?
Inferior and superior, Mahamaya, and external energy and internal energy.
It cannot work. Mahamaya will take you away from God. Yogamaya will take you closer to God. ये दोनों के साथ में कॉम्बिनेशन में चल रही है क्या? कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ पे आपका शरीर किस चीज से बना हुआ है?
मार्जिनल एनर्जी.
Why marginal energy? Why marginal energy? जो आत्मा है वो कौन सी एनर्जी है? It is superior energy. Superior energy. And जो बॉडी है वो कौन सा एनर्जी है?
Inferior.
Inferior energy. So the manifestation is working by the combination of two. सिर्फ आत्मा हो शरीर ना हो तो चलेगा नहीं, शरीर हो और आत्मा ना हो तो चलेगा नहीं.
Yeah.
तो ये because it is a combination of these two, that is why the entire manifestation is able to work properly. Anyhow, one point will be given to this team, Jagannath Warrior. Nursing Dev Daredevils. One point will be given.
Anita Mataji turns over.
Yeah.
Adi Yamuna Priya Mataji.
Yes, Adi Yamuna Priya Mataji has used to her for chance, but she can guide her team members in answering. Okay, now we go ahead with the third question. Putana, when she saw Krishna, thought, this child is so powerful and that he can destroy the whole universe immediately. Then why did she try to kill him?
Prabhuji, I would like to answer this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So Putna, she came to know that Krishna seems very, the child seems very powerful, but she then too wanted to kill him because she had already killed many small children, and she considered him also to be a small child, so he won't do any harm to her. She considered he won't be harmful.
I think you all are not reading the Krishna book scrutinizingly. Krishna book has to be read scrutinizingly. Prabhupada says, one who reads my book scrutinizingly will surely go back to Godhead. Because the tattvas are all hidden over there. Okay, still you have got 20 seconds left. Anybody else wants to try? From your team can try. Yes, Vyom?
प्रभु जी, पूतना को ऐसा लग रहा था कि कृष्ण जी ने आंख बंद कर ली ताकि पूतना को लगे ये नॉर्मल बच्चा है, क्योंकि ज्यादातर वो लोग फीडिंग करते वक्त आंख बंद कर लेते हैं प्रभु जी, बच्चे आंख बंद कर लेते।
अच्छा, नहीं, बट मैंने सवाल पूछा है कि जब उसको पता चला ये बच्चा इतना पावरफुल है, फिर भी उसने उसको मारने की कोशिश क्यों की? जब उसको पता चला कि ये भगवान है, ये पूरे ब्रह्मांड को नष्ट करने की ताकत है, फिर भी उसने मारने की क्यों कोशिश की? Okay, last 10 seconds. Anybody wants to try? Okay, time out. Nikita Balsara Mataji, you had mentioned that the point you mentioned was just because she had a habit of killing so many children, she wanted to go ahead with the killing, right? That's the point you had mentioned. No, the Krishna book clearly says Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. The Lord is situated in everyone's heart as a super soul. It is stated in the Gita that he gives one necessary intelligence and he also is the cause of one to forget. Mata smritir jnanam apohanam cha. Lord clearly says, the 15th chapter, Lord clearly says this. From me comes knowledge, remembrance and forgetfulness. Sarvascha hridayam sannivishto. Dhyani says this. Mata smritir jnanam apohanam cha. Vedyasya sarver aham vedyo vedanta-krit vedavit eva cha aham. This is the full verse. But for us, what is more important is the first two lines. And that is what Prabhupada ji writes very nicely in this, that Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. And it is stated in that Gita that he gives one necessary intelligence. No, I'll tell you honestly. It is said in the Shastra, when I was reading this, I remembered why in the exam, when I used to study my entire book properly and go, still sometimes I used to not remember the answer. बाहर आने के बाद याद आता, अरे इसका तो आंसर ये है, बट बाद में मालूम पड़ा. आज आप लोग ने भी पढ़ा है, बोलने के बाद हाँ प्रभु जी पढ़ा तो था, याद नहीं आया. This is also Krishna. So play to Krishna. Krishna सब आंसर्स याद दिला देना टाइम पे हम लोगों को, ताकि we can make it up. Sorry, I can give any points to you all. So it will be a duck for you all for this ball. So next question coming to you all. Okay, play this very safe and sound strongly, because you are left with only 3 more balls, 3 more deliveries yet to share. Why do Brahmanas, as a matter of routine, keep themselves in poverty-stricken condition? I repeat, why do Brahmanas, as a matter of routine, keep themselves in a poverty-stricken condition? Your time starts now.
Who will give answer?
Want to answer?
Okay.
ब्राह्मणास को इसके लिए पुअर्टी कंडीशन में वो लोग रहते हैं, बिकॉज पुअर्टी कंडीशन में वो लोग कोई भी गलत काम नहीं कर सकते. एज एन कृष्णा बुक में मेंटेन है, जैसे कि कोई भी बैड लाइक इंटॉक्सिकेशन, सेक्स या के लिए पैसा लगता है तो वो लोग वो चीज कर नहीं सकते. और अगर ब्राह्मण लोग पुअर्टी इसीलिए सामने से चॉइस भी करते हैं, वो लोग गरीबों की तरह इसलिए भी रहते हैं ताकि उनको वो सब चीज करने को ना मिले. और इसीलिए जैसे कि अगर पैसे वालों के घर पे भी जाएंगे तो अगर वो लोग भिक्षा वगैरह भी मांगने जाते हैं तो लोग गरीब के घर जाते हैं, तो गरीब के घर पे जाएंगे तो वो लोग को भिक्षा भी मिलती है और सामने से इनवाइट भी करते हैं. वही चीज
इसका फायदा क्या है? उसका फायदा क्या है? योर आंसर इज राइट. उसका फायदा क्या है?
हाँ, उसका फायदा ये है कि वो लोग कोई भी पाप नहीं कर सकते, कोई भी सिन नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज उनके पास पैसे तो लोग कोई सिन नहीं कर सकते. एंड उनके पास
अच्छा, सिन करेंगे तो क्या होगा? सिन करेंगे तो क्या होगा?
सिन नहीं करना है ना.
नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? भक्ति में क्या होगा?
भक्ति में क्या बोलते हैं, बाधाएं आती है.
यस यस,
इसीलिए वो लोगों को पुअर्टी चॉइस करते हैं.
यस यस, somehow you put the ball in the boundary, huh? Full marks goes to you. Full points goes to you. Yes, somehow you could put the ball around the around the boundary. Okay. Yes, to save themselves from false prestige and material opulence. ब्राह्मण क्या होता है? अमीर व्यक्ति को क्या हो जाता है? पैसे का घमंड आ जाता है. और जब पैसे का घमंड आता है और घमंड में वो कई बार गुरु की भी निंदा कर देता है, गुरु की भी अवहेलना कर देता है. तो घमंड बहुत बुरी चीज होती है. तो इसके लिए ब्राह्मण जो वेद का ज्ञान रखते हैं, जो सही में अपने वेद का ज्ञान रखते हैं, वो लोग अपने आप को रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इन इनकम रखना चाहते हैं ताकि वो उनका पैसे का घमंड ना आए. और व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? ड्यू टू false prestige, due to advancement in material propensity is a great impediment in spiritual emancipation. What does Lord Prabhupada say very clearly? अगर व्यक्ति के अंदर ये false prestige आ जाता है, घमंड आ जाता है और वो गलत कार्य करते हैं, तो वो आगे मटेरियल कार्य करते, मतलब जो मटेरियल प्रोपेंसिटी है इसकी वजह से रहेंगे तो वो भक्ति नहीं कर पाते हैं. इसके लिए कई बार हम लोगों को देखते हैं भक्ति में आना चाहते हैं बट फिर भी भक्ति नहीं कर नहीं पाते हैं. क्यों? वो अपने आप का वही जो पैसे का जो घमंड है या अपने आप को बहुत अक्लमंद समझने का घमंड. इट्स नॉट जस्ट मनी. बहुत अपने आप को कोई बहुत अक्लमंद समझता है, ये भी एक तरह का घमंड है और इससे भी भक्ति में एक रोड़ा बनता है. Very nice, Tejal Mataji. So finally, you have saved your team by hitting a boundary, and you can give full marks to Tejal Mataji.
They need last 2 right to tie the match.
Okay. अभी 2 सवाल हैं. ये 2 सवाल अगर आप राइट करोगे तो मैच आपका टाई होगा. So now it will increase your attention to your team members. So anyhow, all the best. So let's go to the next question. The second last, no, 4, 5, 6, yeah. The second last question of today's match. On whom do impersonalists meditate upon and why?
Dipti Kedia Mataji.
On whom do impersonalists meditate upon and why? The time starts.
Who will reply? Dipti Mataji.
The impersonalists meditate on the energy of Supreme Lord. The Brahman roop of Lord. He thinks that Lord is Nirakar. So he
Why?
He does not have any form.
Mataji, this is not the answer from the book. Your guesswork is very nice. Guessworks may be close to the answer, but it's not correct. Yes. Vyom, Pooja, Namrata, Nikita Mataji.
प्रभु जी, क्योंकि महामाया वाले माया वाले लोगों को लगता है कि हम लोग के अंदर मतलब जब भी हम लोग मरेंगे.
I have not talked about Mayavadi. I have talked about impersonalists. That is Brahmavadi.
इसको इसका आंसर सही पता है?
बोलिए बेटा.
Who knows? हरे कृष्णा.
Yes.
दीप्ति माता जी, इसको थोड़ा सा
Yes, last 5 seconds.
Can I help her?
Sorry, Mataji, you have used your 2 chance. Okay. Dipti Mataji, what did you say? What answer did you say, Mataji? Please repeat your answer. Let me see.
Prabhuji, impersonalist meditates on Brahman roop of Lord. Brahman, which is the Brahman roop supports it's supported by Lord himself, but they don't realize this.
That's it.
That is Brahma Jyoti, the light of God.
They see the effulgence of Lord.
Krishna book clearly states those who are impersonalists do not recognize the lotus feet of the Lord, and therefore their object of meditation is something impersonal. वो लोग लाइट पे करेंगे, कैंडल पे करेंगे, एलईडी लाइट पे करेंगे, जो लाइट मिला उस पे करेंगे, कुछ नहीं तो शून्य पे करेंगे, जीरो पे. But they will not meditate on because they do not. Why? I asked you the question. Why? And the question is very clear. The answer is very clear. They do not meditate upon the lotus feet of the Lord. Anyhow, I'll give you 1 point for this because your answer was partially right, but though it was not from the book, but still I'm giving 1 point because yes, the answer was right, but not fully correct. So I want this last question to be played for a sixer. Okay. It's a mandatory over last ball, huh? I want you to slam on the other.
They have lost the match, but they have to save their 100.
No problem, bro. We are all playing Krishna. Krishna is playing the game. We are not playing the game. Okay. For the last question of today's match and today's day. And the question is, when Vasudev met Nanda Baba, he said, this is a new birth to me. Why did he say that? When Vasudev met Nanda Baba, he said, this is a new birth for me. Why did he say that? And your time starts now.
Hare Krishna, कौन देगा answer?
Simple question. नंद बाबा को जब वसुदेव मिले, उन्होंने क्यों कहा मेरे लिए नया जन्म है?
Nisa Mataji, you know? Tejan Mataji. Nikita Balsara Mataji.
Time is over.
Madhu Anand.
Time is over.
Can I speak?
33 seconds and 33 seconds and 19 milliseconds हो चुका है. फिर भी बोलिए.
Because all other sons were killed. His all sons were killed by Krishna.
Okay, I'll give you 1 point for this because you told this answer after the time is over. So I can give you only 1 point. I cannot give you 2 points. Yes, the answer is because he never expected Krishna to survive.
Yeah.
Because all of his other sons were killed. The answer is you are saying all of his sons were killed. That was not the point. The point is Krishna survived, and that was shocking for him. Krishna's survival was a shock to Vasudeva himself. What to talk about us? So he, being the father, he realized that Krishna has survived, whereas all of his brothers were killed, or all of his other sons were killed. So that is why he told Nanda Baba that this is a new birth for me. Yes, so with this, the match with Narsinga Daredevils is over. So what is the final score? I request the scorer to give us the final score and declare who's the winner of today's match between Narsinga Daredevils and Vrindavan Royals. Yes.
Vrindavan Royals win the match.
Your voice is not clear, Prabhu. Please.
Vrindavan Royals win the match. They scored 7 points. Narsim Daredevils scored 5 points.
Okay. So it's a difference of 2 points.
Net run rate difference is minus 0.04 for Narsim Daredevils and plus 0.04 for Vrindavan. Match points are 2 for Vrindavan and 0 for Narsim. Devotee of the match is Riya Mataji.
Fantastic, fantastic. So very nice. Today I hope all of you all enjoyed this match.